Hello there again, welcome to the fourth part of the tutorial. Today we're going to make a circle shape, okay, a ball. So first of all we click Ctrl N. That's going to give us a new part file. Okay, we go to the part file, click OK, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go on top plane and sketch, right? We're going to keep a center line for reference from here to here, click escape. And then we're gonna last time we showed you this circle option, right? This time we're going to the center point arc. Now there are different types of arc. There are center point arcs, tangent arcs, and 3-point arcs. Okay, we're gonna go to the center point arc. So as the name goes, center point. Click on the center. When you go towards above it, you're gonna see a line when you're perfectly aligned to the perpendicular axis. Okay, so click here. And when you do it, you get you can do it in this way or in this way, whichever way you want it. So I'm gonna go here, and when you're wanting to decrease again, you're gonna see another icon show up. So click on it and you got your perfect arc. And now we're gonna go to the line tool. From here you see that highlight button, and to here. Now there's our perfect shape. It's fully filled. Now we're gonna go to the smart dimension. Let's give it some size. Okay, so it's almost perfect. It's 100 millimeters, so I give it 100 millimeters. Now if the radius is 100 millimeters, the diameter is 100 millimeters, the sphere will automatically have a radius of 50 millimeters, right? So we go to the feature, and beside Extruded Boss you can see something called the Revolved Boss base. Okay, so in the Revolved Boss base section, if you click, there's going to be an axis of revolution. So if you click on the line, if you're on the line, it's going to give it to you automatically, and then you can see you have your perfect sphere right here. And boom, this is a sphere. This is your sphere. It's like a marble shape, or a sphere, or a ball, whatever you call it. And you think we should save it, right? So we go to the file option, you click save. You can click save as. So I'm gonna call it sphere, right? We're gonna save it as a part file because it's a Solidworks part. You can save it on STL, save it in to export it in other formats like other softwares as well. Step is a good solution, but you can save it on photo formats like PNG and JPG also. So for Solidworks purpose, we're going to save it on part file and click save, and there you go. You have your sphere. Now let's make some holes in it, because why not, right? So we go to the top plane. No, we're on the top plane. Let's go to the front plane. We click sketch. Let's make a circle from the center plane, right? From here, let's give it a shape. 50 millimeters sounds nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into features and give an extrude cut. Okay, see, this is the highlight of the extruded cut we're gonna get. Let's increase the size, let's say 50 millimeters. That sounds nice. Just it's up to the surface. Now if we go ahead and do it blind, it's gonna do it on one surface. Now if we go true all, we don't need to add values as I said before. Now it's only on one side, so we need to do, and if we give it mid plane, it's only half of it, it doesn't come out. So we need to give through all, it's on one side. Now through all both for both sides. See, the whole sides are highlighted. Now if you click OK, you have a hole inside your sphere shape. So it was a perfect sphere. Okay, it was totally solid, it was fulfilled. And now you got some sort of a bead shape. So get yourself some PLA, print this out, and make your own likeness. Okay, so if you have any comments or concerns or questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you